How to find study group on Discord. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can find study groups on Discord. So go ahead and navigate to the server section. When you navigate to the server section, guys, click on the not the plus icon, you can click the one below, as you can see it, guys. So go ahead and click it. So when you click it, guys, you're going to be seeing where it says find study group. So you're going to just go ahead and paste in your email address of your school, the address or your address of your school. So when you paste it here, it's going to directly link you to your school so that you can join the study groups. If you don't really have any school you want to join, you're just doing this for yourself, you can go ahead and ask for the people in the group for invite link. So if they give you the invite link, just go ahead and click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, click on where it says join the server. When you click on where it says join the server, just go ahead and paste in the invite link they'll be sending you. So when you paste in the invite link they'll be sending you, you'll be able to join the study group. If you want to create it yourself for your friends, a study group, just click on the plus icon too. When you click on the plus icon, click on where it says study group. As you can see it here, guys, you can go ahead and click it. So when you click it, you can go ahead and click where it says for me and my friends, or if it's a community, a study group for your community, you can go ahead and click it depending on your option. So when you do this, guys, it's going to take you and give you preloaded templates for your server, so you don't have to do anything much. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.